Hey, Catherine,
It's like gross in the middle of doing my hair.
do you want to throw down?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, time to head home. I got a package for Kelsey and I. It's part 2 to the package we opened the other day. So, wonder if you can guess what it is. Let's go. I'm gonna wait to see Kelsey to open it up. Keyboards came. I came home to bring it to Kelsey. She's not here, so I'm just gonna open up mine and she can open up hers later. I know a lot of people have commented on how heavy this is, and this box is pretty surprisingly heavy. That one can stay in there for Kelsey for later. Magic keyboard time. That didn't work very good. I've been really anticipating using this. I've been using a Mac Magic keyboard and Magic trackpad for the last few days to try to get used to kind of using the iPad as more of like a laptop than just something you hold, and I've actually grown to kind of like it, so I'm really excited to see what this thing is all about. Alright, it's not too insanely heavy. It's got a bit of a nice finish to it. I do enjoy that there's like the Apple logo on there. I don't know if it's getting it in focus or not. I just think it's a nice touch. I think one of the things I'm most excited about is this USB-C port right here on the side. Just the idea of being able to have this plugged in and then throw the iPad on it, and it's charging when it's on that, but then I can pull it off and it's not charging then. But yeah, let's see how this thing opens. There it is. It's actually really, you know, when you look at the videos and stuff, this hinge here can look pretty, I don't know, it's just pretty, it doesn't seem like there's a lot to it, but it's actually really, really satisfying. And the close is satisfying. Kind of impressed. How's the, ooh. Feels like one of the older, well, I guess newer now too, Mac keyboards. Yeah, it feels really nice. I do think I'll mix the function rows a little bit, but let's grab my iPad and throw it on here. Here I have my brand new iPad. Again, this is the, so all of last year I had the larger 12.9 inch iPad, and I decided to downsize mainly because I missed holding it. This is such a great size if you hold it with one hand, interact with the other. But I felt the 12.9 was too big for that, and so I often just used it kind of either on a desk, really just on a desk, and so then why not just use my Mac? So I like the versatility of having both of these. So let's put this on here. It's on. So it is a little top heavy. Trackpad shows right up right away. It's got a nice little click to it. Sweet. So there it is. Nice and set up. And I have a couple more iPad videos that I've been writing and working on soon, so I'll cover some of that stuff there. One of the big things is my new layout of how I'm organizing it. But overall, this is a nice little form factor. Just set it down, open it up, and you're good to go. Trackpad is a little short, but anyways, I'm going to play around with this. Probably make another video soon about that. If you'd like to see that, please like this. Let me know you're interested. Subscribe if you're new around here. I'm probably going to also include at the end some video of Kelsey opening this and some of her reactions, because she's not as much of like a techie as I am, and so I like to include some of her reactions just to get maybe a more balanced perspective, because this thing for me is just beautiful, perfect, and just everything I ever wanted from my iPad. Just the ability to kind of snap it on and off quickly is great. So yeah, I'll include that. There's a tab right there.
Oh. Whoa, that's it? Just magnetizes? Whoa.
So what you think?
It's pretty cool. Yeah. That's the angle that it opens to, I guess. That's so... even the keyboard like lights up.
Yeah.
Do you have to charge this thing?
No, it uses your iPad's battery.
Jeez.
Do you have to charge this thing? But there's a port on the side of it to charge her.
Yeah, I see that. So you can charge two things at once? Or like double charge your iPad?
So you charge one and then use like a external hard drive or something for the other one.
That's nice. It covers the back and the front. iPad hasn't done that in a while.
Yours did.
No, it just covered the front, not the back.
Mine did.
Yeah. Fancy.